Today's listen them adjectives. You will learn today's them adjectives, how to write adjectives, and you will can learn the grammar lesson. Now let's go start today's lesson. Adjectives. Adjectives and is a word that describes a noun or pronoun, such as person, place, thing, or idea. Some types of adjectives. First is adjective question is what? There is a color, for example, black, blue, green, gray, pink. Size, big, huge. Shape, taste, weather, texture, sound, number, weather. What are adjectives? Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives give us more information about a noun. There is a look at the pictures. And first example is Mark and Jane are carrying a chair. Second example is Mark and Jane are carrying a heavy chair. What chair? Heavy chair. This is a heavy is adjectives. The adjective heavy is describing the noun chair. The form of the adjective is the sum for singular noun and the plural nouns. For example, Jan is holding a red apple. This is a singular form. Second example is there are some red apples on the table. This is a adjective is some. Position of adjectives. First is adjectives used before a noun. There is a small dog in the garden. Word dog is noun. Adjective is there is a before a noun. I have some new shoes. There is a before noun. The word new. Second is after link verbs. There are some link verbs: appear, be, become, feel, get, look, seem, smell, taste. For example, the car is old. Jen is feeling cold. The flower smells nice. Most adjectives are used in both positions. There are and there are. Certain adjectives are used only in the accusative position. Certain adjectives are used only in the predicative position. Now you will be to do some examples. For example, we have a small car. I saw a white bird. She watched an old film. There is a adjective is writing before the noun. Now you will be write own examples. Remember, adjectives don't have a plural forms. There is a link. You will be play the game about adjective. First exercise, read and find. Read the text and find adjectives and write them in the boxes. For example, there is a I like my bedroom. I share it with my brother. We've got a big blue toys box and past new computer. There is a find the some adjectives and right here. Next exercise, we can use adjectives to describe people and things. Choose the correct answer. First is, we've got a train blue. This is a correct. Blue train. This is a correct. What is the correct answer? You will be choose the correct answer. Second exercise, make it right. Find the mistakes and underline, write the correctly words. So there is a test. Check your today's listen them. Choose the correct sentences. For example, first sentence is, look at that red big bus. Look at that big red bus. Look at that red and big bus. What is the correct? Okay, write your copybooks, please. Now there is a crosswords. Opposite adjectives. You will find the opposite adjectives. First, for example, first is word sad. Sad. You will find the opposite antonym. There is a write the opposite verbs. So today's lesson the ends.